premiere. I think the movie's called Don't Worry, Darling. I'm gonna put the title here because I forget at this moment. It's been like a busy-ish day. I got back from my workout at Fit2BH and got ready really quick, and I'm now on the way to Brentwood, which is where the movie is going to be. I think we're just gonna have food at Brentwood. I'm taking Janice with me, which is really exciting. She's actually moving to Miami soon, so this is gonna be a nice little, like, one of the few last dates that we have before she leaves. I wanted to quickly hop on and talk about Fit2BH a little bit because I've been going there for 3 weeks now, and I've absolutely been loving it. It's been so good. The two things that I do there are Pilates classes and personal training classes. I love both, but if I had to choose between the two, I would say personal training for sure, just because I also do get somewhat of a Pilates workout doing Legree as well, and I really appreciate that we do weight training or like strength training in my personal training classes, because I just don't get much of that on my own right now. I haven't been going to the gym on my own, so this has been like my go-to thing for strength training, and it has been really, really nice. Plus, I absolutely love my instructor, and yeah, it's just been a really, really amazing experience so far. Their studios are just like so clean, so bright, so motivating. It's like a group of women that are in there, and they are so lovely. Not just that, it's just such a supportive and encouraging environment, and everybody always is so happy in there. It just puts me in the best mood just being in that environment. And then of course the workout gives me that awesome endorphin boost as well, which makes me even happier. Overall, I've just had the best experience with them so far, and I honestly highly recommend them if you are a woman who is looking to improve her fitness in any type of way in Vancouver, especially specifically in downtown Vancouver. They are located in Yaletown, and I love that they kind of like focus the I guess like training plan based on your needs. So if whether you're trying to be more lean or slim, whether you're trying to lose weight, whether you're trying to gain strength, whether you're trying to have a fat ass, like whatever you want, you kind of state your fitness goals in the beginning, and then they will build a plan tailored to your needs. Thank you. Enjoy. I feel like I'm never in car vlogs anymore because I just don't drive anywhere since living in downtown, but today I decided to take Mika to the dog park, and I needed to drop off a package to Canada Post, and I hate walking with like packages, so I drove to do that, took Mika to the park, and now we're headed to Value Village. I'm actually pretty excited to do a little bit of thrifting to see if I can pick up some pieces for fall. Let's see if I can find anything. I'm having a really good day. It's just the perfect temperature outside, and it's sunny, and traffic isn't bad. It's like a Thursday afternoon. It's just really nice out, and yeah, just just looking forward to my little evening. I'm gonna cook myself some food when I get home. I'm gonna watch Midsummer, I think is the plan, while I potentially edit or do some low energy work. And yeah. Back from the thrift store, and I wanted to do a little bit of a haul because I did end up picking up quite a few things. I got books and clothes, so let's do the book haul first. Picked up quite a few books. They were like $5 each around. This one is called The City We Became. This was under the mystery or like sci-fi, actually, not mystery, sci-fi section, and it's a New York Times bestseller. I don't know, cover looked interesting. I thought I would try it. The Foundling is a mystery. It's by Anne Leary. Again, the cover looks really interesting. I think I briefly read it, and it's based in like the 1920s going to the 30s, and it's about this woman who works at an asylum. I got Jodi Picoult's The Book of Two Ways. I've actually heard really good things about this book from another YouTuber. I don't remember who, but yeah, I think that this has some philosophical or spiritual aspects to it that I will enjoy, and so I wanted to pick that up. Robert Galbraith. Thank you to the person who commented and let me know that Robert Galbraith is actually the pen name of J.K. Rowling, and I guess she decided to write more books after, but all kind of in the whatchamacallit, in like the mystery, suspense, murder sort of category. So decided to pick this one up to check out as well. I have no doubts that I'm gonna love any books that she writes, so I'm looking forward to reading this and The Silkworm, which was what I picked up last time. I picked up Jenny Han's The Summer I Turned Pretty. I've heard great things about this book, and I just feel like it's gonna be an easy read, which is why I got that one. What Strange Paradise. This one's interesting. So this one is actually about, I guess, like Syrian, Ethiopian, Egyptian, Lebanese, Palestinian refugees escaping like lives in their homeland, and about the travel of them being on this boat and trying to start a new life. Thought this would be a good one to learn about that culture, and yeah, just to kind of see the stories of that time. And then the last one was just one that I recognized. This is The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. I think probably most of you have seen this book before, but another suspense mystery type book. I did also find this record. This is A Visit to Italy, and it's an Italian sampler, so it has a bunch of songs from different Italian records. A few clothing items as well, some of which I'm not sure, I just like might gift or resell or something, but they were just kind of too cute to give up. The first one is this jacket. I have something similar. I picked up like a polo one, but this was $27. This is by a brand called London Fog. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. It's definitely very of the style that I'd be wearing, but it has this fun like green collar to it, which I thought was fun. I picked up another Tommy Hilfiger sweater. Something about Tommy Hilfiger sweaters just work for me. They just do it for me. This one was $19, and it's just like a simple crew neck sweater. I got this little top. This is actually from Aritzia, but this is, yeah, I picked it up at the thrift store, and I thought it would be cute to wear as like a little sexy tube top. I wonder if this is meant to be like a belt or something. I don't remember. I remember this was in stores when I worked there, but I'm headed to LA in a few weeks, and I feel like that would be cute for something. This one I might gift if it doesn't fit me. Ooh, yeah, although it might, but as you can see, it's like a little tube top situation with like some asymmetrical details at the bottom. I thought this would be cute with like a little black skirt. If it doesn't fit me, I'll probably just give it to my little sister. I picked up this top also from Aritzia. I might just gift this or something because I don't know if it's necessarily my style. What else? I picked up this Nike golf skirt. I don't actually play golf, but I have friends who do. So I feel like if I can't style this, in a cute way. This is gonna be a gift for sure. I got some like workout, whatchamacallit, shorts. These are by a brand called Arena. They have like a really small waist, so I wonder if they're for a kid or something, but they're just gonna be chill shorts for me to walk the dog in, or like, yeah, just hang out in. I picked up another skirt. This one's by a brand name Avia. It's definitely like a, I don't know, workout material. It's in a medium, so I don't know if this is gonna fit me right, but it was really cute. And I will either gift it or resell it, I think. And then last two items, I got this little knitted halter top situation for LA, and then another Tommy sweater. This is just like a simple gray sweater. And that's it. That's my little haul. I think I'm gonna make some dinner now, feed Mika, and then I might either read or watch a show this evening and just chill. It's one of those days. Hello, I'm headed out to go to the dry cleaners and then also go to my chiropractor appointment. I have my chiropractor appointments at Latitude Wellness now, so it's the same place that I do my therapy because they've actually converted to like a wellness collective. So they actually offer like acupuncture, chiro, other wellness services, as well as counseling. So I'm really excited to head over there and just get my neck and back fixed because it's been bothering me again. I'm also trying out this new dry cleaner tailor place I found in downtown, so hopefully that works out. I've never been there before, but I read really good reviews on Google, so we're gonna go try that out today. Mika is whining because I've set up her like enrichment toys, and I haven't let her use them yet. You're really upset with me, aren't you? You're really upset. Mom, what the heck? Okay, I'm gonna go to my car and get my clothes because that's where they are, and then I'm gonna walk over to my appointments.